Hi kids, welcome to Karshu Kids TV. Today we will learn kitchen items. These are spoon and bowl. We use spoon for eating and stirring. This is knife. We use knife for cutting and chopping vegetables. This is plate. We use plate to serve food. This is glass. We use glass for drinking water and milk. This is ladle. We use ladle to serve soup, stew or other liquid foods. This is fork. We use fork for eating noodles and Maggi. This is pressure cooker. We use pressure cooker for cooking food. This is pan. Pan is used for frying and browning foods. This is grater. Grater is used to grate foods into pieces. This is rolling pin and board. It is used to shape and flatten dough. This is refrigerator. It is used to preserve food by keeping it cold. This is cooking stove. It is used to cook food. These are kettle, cup and saucer. It is used to serve hot drink like tea and coffee. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.